The mountain is over there. There is a fog. There is clouds. Cannot see properly. There is a beautiful flowers here. There's a beautiful flowers. It's a wild flowers, guys, and we can see the kita natin guys yung yung tubig. This water is from the mountain, guys, from the mountain. Ayan po yung those are snow that already dissolved by the sunlight. Lalaki ng mga puno sa taas. Oh. Puno yan, oh. Snow yan na natunaw, guys. Kaya ang lamig. Very, very cold. Like in a freezer. Val de la Sigli, Siete nel Parco. Now we can see the mountain over here. Not yet the highest mountain, this one. Not yet the highest mountain. This is normal mountain. Mega love shout out, guys. Di ko kayo makita. Pasensya na. Tak, mega love shout out. Ganda dito, guys. Oh. Taas. We're now in the park. Thank you, guys, for coming. Salamat na marami. Is there. Asmin, love music, mega love shout out. Ang lamig kaya dyan, malamig. Parang nasa freezer ka. Napakalamig yan, guys. Kasi yan yung mga natunaw na snow galing sa bundok. Yan. Galing yan dyan sa bundok. Ang lamig yan kaya. Ay, naku, pag magtampiso ka dyan, magiging ice ka. Magiging ice ka dyan. Biruin mo yan, no? Lamig niyan, grabe. Napakalamig. Nasa taas ng bundok, oh. So, guys. Basta control na signal, no? Always control. Sino control na siya?
Insieme, molto bello.
Molto bello?